Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay. Today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul, which is why I'm stood and near my clothes. These aren't the clothes we're hauling, these are the clothes that I've had for ages. The clothes we're hauling are down there. You can't see them yet. Basically, I have been on a little journey with my body and I've lost some weight, and so many of my clothes don't fit. None of my jeans fit at the moment, so I had to buy loads of jeans, and I thought I'd pick up a couple of other bits as well. It is predominantly a Fashion Nova haul. I have, I think, 2 items from somewhere else, which I'm just going to include anyway while we're here. But it is predominantly Fashion Nova. I love Fashion Nova. I get my jeans from them. I've been getting my jeans from Fashion Nova for about 3 or 4 years, maybe a little bit longer. I just think that they fit the nicest on me. I have much more of a smaller waist, bigger hips and big thighs, and the jeans just fit like way better for me. So yeah, this is a Fashion Nova haul and a couple of other bits, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I've been getting, it's also a try on, so it'll either be inserted there or there, whichever way I decide to stand. If you guys are interested in seeing what I've picked up, then please keep watching. So I'll start with the non-Fashion Nova stuff first, because there's only like 2 or 3 things. The first thing I got were these joggers that I'm currently wearing. I love these. I've wanted a pair of joggers for so long that just fit really nicely, that aren't too tight, and that I can kind of like dress them up, dress them down. Like, you know, when you've got like a delivery that's come, you need to go downstairs quickly and you just need to put some joggers on or something. I was always the person like, I've got pajama bottoms or jeans. So I wanted a pair of like sweatpants, joggers, whatever you want to call them, for so long, and these ones fit so nice. They are from Pretty Little Thing, and they're from the Pretty Little Thing Curve Plus, whatever you want to call it, range. I got a size 16 in them, and they're still a little bit big, but it's perfect how I want them. I really love them. Absolutely, I've been wearing them basically every single day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that, because I'm constantly saying I'm wearing them. So this is the first item, and big love them a lot. The second non-Fashion Nova item is from House of CB. I actually brought this off my friend because I love orange. I've got orange hair. Orange is like my theme. I love it. And it's just this dress here. You'll see it better on the try-on bit. It's like a really like classic House of CB dress, in that it is so bandaged and so tight. And I've never owned anything from House of CB really, and I've never owned a dress like this that is very clingy. Look how small it is. I can't believe I actually fit in that. I'm looking at it now like, I fit in that, right? So like I said, it's orange. On the sides is mesh, and then the back is a zip all the way down, and it zips all the way up and all the way down. So yeah, I've actually got a clip where I talk, which I'll enter now. Sorry I look a state, and sorry about my panty line. It took me so long to get into this dress by myself because Tom's not here, and I'm not going to re-record this image. So I just thought I'd show you the dress, which is here. So it's got like meshing all down the sides, and I didn't know that properly, so I have my massive white pants on. But yeah, this is the dress. Really nice. I'm not fake tanned or anything, but yeah, it's really nice. And the zips go up and down, so I'm scared to like bend in case they pop. But yeah, this is the dress. I just need an occasion, maybe my anniversary, maybe my birthday. So I've got a few more months just to tighten there, and yeah. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and this is in a large. Right, I'm pretty sure that's everything that's not Fashion Nova, so let's just do Fashion Nova now. I've got this top, which I'm really gutted about for a couple of reasons. So one, the wiring on the cuff is basically coming out like completely. Oh, it's gone now. I did message them, and they've really kindly refunded me for this, because the wiring was just, even on both sides, like it just came out completely. But it is a black satin fish hook, I want to call it, crop top. The other reason why I'm so upset with this is an extra large, because as you guys can tell, I have very large breasts. And I thought, okay, an extra large would fit my breasts, right? This is the size of the cup. It's so small, and you guys will see from the try on clip that my breast basically is the size of the whole top. And I'm thinking, can I get away with it? Can I not? Please let me know in the comments down below, because I really love this top, and I have such a nice outfit how I want to wear it. But my boobs just look so weird in it. I've tried it with a bra, I've tried it without a bra, I've tried compressing them, I've just tried lifting them out. nothing's working for me. This is something with brands that I just get really, really pissed off about, is when anything is cupped, underwired, placed out in that, is that they go on like sizing, and I always think, okay, an extra large or like the biggest size will hopefully increase the size of this, and it never does. It just increases the size of the, like the top. People, like, I think brands need to realize that people who are going to be getting an extra large would more than likely have bigger breasts than that. Like, I was wearing that size in primary school, can we please? But yeah, apart from that, I really love this top. I love the material, I love the way it's like it sits for the rest of the body. I love the way it looks. I love the length of the crop as well. It's not just like cuts off where your bra is meant to be, it's a little bit lower. I think if my boobs actually fit that as well, it would even be more of a perfect length of a crop. But yeah, please let me know if you think I can get away with it. I mean, I'll probably still wear it anyway and just hope for the best, but ugh. Another top I got, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So it's like a rustic burnt orange, off the shoulder, not very appropriate for January in Manchester because it's freezing, but it'll be really nice in like spring. It's got that like, I don't know what fabric this is, but it's quite like thinnish. It's very bohemian chic. Like if I was going to Coachella, I don't know, I'd probably wear something like this. And then this is all like a stretchy material as well, and then there's like a little lace detail that you can like tie it up, and then the back, yeah, I just really like this. I think it's a really nice little piece with like a nice tan, my hair, or my fan. The next things are all the same. I brought these little crop tops. I've got a tan, a white one, and a black one. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my link here for you if you want. I'm posting a lot more fashiony stuff. You would have seen the black and white one in action quite a lot because I've been wearing them loads, especially with these joggers. Obsessed. I love these. I love the, like the length of these as well. Again, it's kind of like the black top that I showed you, where it's long enough where it's not just going to cup right underneath your bra. I love spaghetti straps, like this thinness. I think it looks really sexy and really chic. And what I was really, really surprised about, these were relatively inexpensive. No, it doesn't say the price. Is that these are very, very, very good material in that they're thick enough that you don't have to wear a bra if you don't want to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, just depends how I feel. But the thickness of this is really good. It's a really, 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 really nice material. And I just think that these are so easy. Like these are basically all I wear with like high-waisted jeans all the time. I love a crop. The next thing is a dress. I'm not going to try this on because I'm not tanned properly at the moment. In the winter and spring and autumn months, I basically tan there and I don't tan anywhere else. It's just a waste of tan. So my legs aren't tanned, but I have got pictures which I'll insert anyway. But it's just this green, again, like spaghetti strapped velvet midi, which is beautiful. So nice on. The velvet is gorgeous. It's like, you can see the shape of it goes in at the waist, out at the hips. Again, this is why I love Fashion Nova, because so many of their items do that. This is in the size large and it is just stunning, and it's such a nice greeny colour. I just need an occasion to wear it, so if any of you guys want to go on a date with me and Tom, we're still together, oh my god. Then I got a jacket, just because I've got so many items of clothing that just need like a light jacket, and I only have one light jacket, which is like a navy colour, and I'm just like, I need another colour. So I got like a beigey, no, more of like a tanny, rustic kind of one, just to wear as like a light jacket. It is either suede or faux suede, I'm not really sure which, but it's so nice. It's got some nice like buckling details, like nice flappy pockets, just like a standard lightweight trench kind of coat. Right, all the next now are jeans. So like I said, I have no jeans that fit, right? So I got a lot of jeans. First pair is probably my favourite pair. When I got these and tried them on, I was like, I don't need any other pairs of jeans. Everything else, I was like, I can just make work with this jean. So this is this pair of jeans I wanted to wear with the black crop top and then like a really nice gold belt. So they're a dark denim, and then they go into like a flare with a little bit of a fray hem. You'll see better with a try on. I freaking love these. Mainly because they're 2 sizes smaller than what I used to be. But I love these. They fit so nice. I have got a small waist, like I said, and big thighs, and I've got big calves as well. the flareness of them, how they go back out, balances out my body so much more better than skinny jeans. I still wear skinny jeans and I still love skinny jeans, but a flared jean complements my body so much more better, and I love them. So when they came back into fashion, like last summer I think it was, I was like, oh my god, I need them. But I just never got around to getting any, basically. I was putting off this Fashion Over order until I lost a little bit more weight, and now that I've got them, you guys will see me in nothing but these. I'm so excited. I love that the back detail where the pocket is has like stitching down here. I freaking love these. I'm so excited, and they're super high-waisted. A dream. Fashion Over, yes, you did good, real good. The next pair I got, they're a little bit big. So because like I said, so with Fashion Over, for the UK, if you want to return, you've got to pay to return it. You've got to pay to import it back to the US, and then you've got to hope that you get like a refund or a credit note or whatever. And like I said, I'd lost weight and I hadn't known how much weight I lost. I was comparing it to a pair of jeans that I had for them for ages, and I was like, I'm either one size or two sizes smaller. So I got a mixture of sizes. This is one size smaller. They are big for me, but it's okay. These will be like my comfy jeans. Like if I'm going for food and I know I want to eat a lot. These are like my Thanksgiving jeans. You know, like with Phoebe from Friends when she has her Thanksgiving pants and they're like maternity. These are mine. So yeah, they are a little bit big, but that's okay. Again, they're a dark denim with distressed bits on them, and they are a skinny jean, just quite standard. But if worse comes to worse, I can always get them tailored in, just tighter around the waist. But this is the other pair. Like I said, just comfy jeans. Everyone needs a comfy jean. The next pair I got are identical to the ones that I already have because I love them so much. But one, they're massive on me. Again, they're two sizes too big. And I've worn them so much that the insides have just like, where their thighs are gone. Like I've sewn them a few times, they're gone. I need to say goodbye to these jeans. I got the exact same pair, two sizes small. These are called the Hannah jeans. Yeah, Hannah high-rise jeans. I'll leave everything in order of whatever they're called, but I just remember these names because the ones that I've already had. And I love them. They fit beautifully. They like exactly how I want them, and like I said, I have had them before, so I know how they fit on me. They're nice and stretchy where they need to be. A little bit of distressing on them, nothing too crazy, not like the last pair. But yeah, love these. Like them, I've bought them again, so I must love them a lot. And then just got a really standard skinny dark jean. I think these were a little bit big on me. I can't remember when I've tried them on. Just a tiny bit big because they are quite stretchy, but just like a standard pair, just to wear with like a bodysuit, a pair of boots and like a jacket, just something to kind of like chuck on. And then that's all the jeans that I got, but I actually got a two-piece I forgot about. I can't get this skirt on for the life of me. So if by this time I've lost a little bit more weight and the try-on clip I'm wearing it, then that's good. If not, this is what it is. This is just a two-piece, so that's a skirt. I can get the top on, but it takes a lot. Oh my god, I start sweating. It's very, very, very bandaged. It is very much like House of CB in that it is tight. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. And it's just a skirt, which is quite like a midi length, and then a beautiful, like, crop top, which I just wear the crop top with like a pair of jeans, or like a white skirt, or a different skirt, until I can get the other one on me. Because I'm determined now. Oh, I also got this pair. Now, these are maybe a month away from fitting, right? They are so close to fitting, but I didn't want to push it, and I didn't want to push myself, and I don't know if it's because I tried on so many things before it that maybe it was a bit more sweaty, a bit more swollen. I just didn't want to try it, okay? So I'm going to try these again in a month's time, but for now they're just going to sit there, and these are going to be my motivation pants. They are like a brown faux leather coated jean. More coated than faux leather actually. But I really love them, and I think more like the spring, especially autumn. I know that's like not until like 8 or 9 months time. But I just think that they're really nice. Again, just with like a bodysuit or a crop top. Even with like the trench coat that I showed you guys. I need to fit into these because I've got too many ideas now. But yeah, they're just really, really nice. Like coated, skinny. Pants, because they're not really jeans, they're more pants. So then guys, that is everything that I have been buying lately that cost an arm and a leg. Oh my god, and the import fees. I had to pay £123 of import fees. Like I said, I have been shopping at Fashion Nova for years. I have never once paid an import fee, and I had to pay over £100 for an import fee for this, so I was livid to say the least. But that is my new clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.